This way, Rinko. Okay guys, welcome to my new vlog. Try lang ako guys ha, kasi first time ko lang mag-vlog. Yeah, gusto ko lang pakita yung neighborhood namin. So, I'm Jennifer. I'm taking a walk with my dog Ringo. So, it's already 8 a.m. And if you look around, wala pang tao sa kalye, no? At this time, everybody's still sleeping. So, it's a Saturday. Kahit na weekday, pailan-ilan lang kotse dumadaan dito at this time. So, that's one of the things I had to adjust to when I first came to Canada with my family. When we first came here, we're like, where's everyone? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sanay ka na paglabas mo ng bahay mo, nakikita mo agad lahat ng, yung mga kapitbahay mo, kaibigan mo, mga taong pupunta sa trabaho. Pero dito, yan, 8 o'clock na, wala pa ring tao. So anyway, nilalakad ko dito si Ringo. We're just going around the block. Every morning, yan yung aming nakasanayan gawin. Pagkagising ko, syempre maliligo muna ako and then papakainin ko si Ringo and maglalakad na kami para hindi ang kanyang business, alam mo na yun, number 1 and number 2, gagawin niya sa labas, hindi sa loob ng bahay. And yun, pag naglalakad kami and nag number 2 siya, kailangan pulutin mo yun, hindi mo pwedeng iwan sa kalye. Kaya dito malinis ang mga kalye. Kung makikita ninyo, kahit yung mga wrapper, basura, halos wala. Meron din syempre, hindi naman perpekto, pero halos wala. Ayan, tapos pag naglalakad kami, ito, dala-dala ko to, nakatali sa kanyang leash, lalagyan ng plastic bag para sa kanyang pupu. And para pag pinulit mo, naka-plastic na and itatapon mo na lang pagdating mo sa bahay. Yan. So, dito na lang kami. Paikot na lang kami sa block. Usually on weekdays, hindi mahaba yung lakad namin kasi kailangan ko na magtrabaho ng 8 a.m. So yun guys, simula nung pandemic, yung office ko lahat nag-work from home. Pero since then, yung team ko hindi pa bumabalik sa office. Kaya ako sa bahay pa rin. And yung husband ko ganun din. Simula pandemic, they started working from home, although he's moved to like two other jobs since that first job during the pandemic. Lahat ng nalipatan niya is still work from home. Yun, so maswerte kami kasi marami dito na pinabalik na sila sa office, although hindi na rin full time ang balik sa office. Most of our friends, they have to go to the office at least and be there at least 2 or 3 times a week, no? And I think some of them, it's up to them to pick the days that they go to their office. And some of them siguro naka-schedule with their manager. Ayun. Pero yun nga, kagaya na sabi ko, kami ng husband ko, work from home pa rin. And para sa amin, convenient yun. Kasi for me specifically, actually yung teammates ko nasa India. And malaki yung time gap namin eh. So, instead of having to drive to work, which is around 1 hour drive away rin eh, from my place, I don't need to make that drive and I can start my meetings as early as possible. Kasi yung team sa India, they follow our time, which means they're working the night shift, right? Kasi kami naman normal working hours during the day. So yung mga kausap ko doon, night shift sila. And when we have meetings, I try to schedule it as early as possible para hindi naman sila masyadong ginagabi nga. So yan, ito yung mga bahay sa neighborhood namin dito sa Ontario, Canada. And my city, I live in Mississauga. So mostly dito sa neighborhood namin, brick yung mga bahay. Bihira yung hindi brick. Although ngayon nauuso na nga yung ibang materials for the house, like mix of brick and stone, or meron din siding. So yung iba, para ma-modernize yung bahay nila, iniiba nila yung harap. Hindi nila ginigiba yung bahay, iniiba lang yung materials para maiba yung look ng bahay nila. Kasi mahal din ang magpagawa dito ng bahay. The materials are okay. Yung cost ng materials, you can find reasonable ones. Pero ang mahal is the labor. Yan. So mostly dito, if you want things done to your house, for me and my husband, we try to do DIY as much as possible. So yun lang guys. Thank you. I hope medyo nagustuhan ninyo. We'll see. Kung may response, I'll continue this vlog. Just, you know, daily living in Canada, from insights from somebody who's been here since 2008. So, more than 10 years. Yun. Baka may matutunan kayo if ever you want to move to Canada or you've been here or bago pa lang kayo. Ayun, meron din kayong makukuha sana mga tips from me. Kasi we've been able to acclimate and make our adjustments. Ayun. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye.